splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise! A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? He looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go bajnola mow. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me and you. Oh no! Side of the dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back, no more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark, stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding.
I was so lucky.
2 broke the engine, big loud boom. Kitty called the witch and witch said oops. Fix the train, fix it soon, let's fix the train. Hi-do, they fixed the train. All dinos back on the train again. Kitty smiles, no more pain. So Kitty calls them all and says, let's ride the dino train today. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Cutie kitty had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Sheep. And on that farm went crazy showed. When a moo-moo here and an egg there, here-a-doo, there-a-doodle, everywhere, shout, shout. Then a rooster shouts all day long, doesn't even cows forget their song. Cutie kitty had a farm, Baby shark is sick today. Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. What should we do? Dr. Kitty will help you. Meow, meow, don't you cry. Dr. Kitty standing by. Baby shark wakes up so slow. Tiny sneeze, achoo. Tummy hurts and head feels hot. Feeling happy, maybe not. Oh no, no, what's wrong today? Dr. Kitty's on the way. Check, check, check. Runs in fast. How with the doctor bag at last. Heartbeat check. Boom, boom, boom. Kitty says you'll feel good soon.
1, 2, 3.
Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Dr. Kitty helps with me. Baby shark says achoo, achoo. Ritty laughs, bless you too. Medicine taste, yucky, yup. Baby shark says, oh no, yuck. Sip, 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 drink it up. Soon you'll jump and splash and hop. Kitty puts ice on shark's head. Time for rest in your warm bed. Baby shark takes little nap, then wakes up and starts to clap. Yay, 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 feeling great. Dr. Kitty saved Daddy. Baby shark jumps in the sea, healthy, happy as can be. Dancing, splashing all around. Happy Sharky makes this sound. Thank you, Kitty, thank you, meow. I feel so much better now. Oh no, no, sick no more. Baby shark swims like before. Hip, hip, hooray, 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 hooray. 5 skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest, ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, hi, no more skeletons stealing eggs tonight.
Stop right there, skeletons.
4 skeletons came back again. Thinking they could steal like vengeance. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. Not in my farm, you can't take part. One slipped away with a funny fall. The others ran away from it all. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, Partay, stay away from this farm tonight. 3 skeletons tried once more, sneaking quietly near the door. But Kitty jumped with a magic sound and made them vanish all around. Kitty said, this is not your place. They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, no more stealing eggs tonight. 2 skeletons came super slow. But Kitty said, no, no, no. One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. No. Inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. 1 skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone and pull. He saw her and started to flee. No more eggs for me, I'm free. Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning light. No
Look, more
more
eggs by the barn.
stealing eggs
Almost got 'em
tonight.
all. Into the basket.